Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been, don't be shy, and please enjoy. I'm back to do another short video, just another test just to make sure I've got my sounds right. I put up one tonight and Nancy Vastine told me that the sound is very low, so I have put it up higher, and so I've come on to do the short video. I've made this new journal. It's not a very big one because some pages came out and I'd already glued them together, but it's Big Bear's little sister, Buxom Betty. And I put pictures on the cover, and then while the glue was still wet, I painted it pink, and now I'm just going to glue on some stamped images on tissue just to give it a little bit of something. Right, now I need a brush. This one will do. And I'm really not sure what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to put some more glue on it and glue them down. It is absolutely pelting down outside. Yes, I don't know what I'm going to do if this does not work. I've been putting programs on, taking programs off all day to try and get it done, and nothing seems to be working so far, so we'll see how it goes. Put it just a little bit high there. I wonder if I can pull it off without ripping it. No, never mind, we'll leave it there. We'll just shove a little bit of butterfly in there. Right. Got another one here. Go this way. Awesome. Got some words here. I thought I might put on as well. Had a very lazy day today, other than playing on my computer. Didn't go anywhere. My son and daughter-in-law came for a visit today, and other than that, I've just been playing on my computer trying to get things to go. Right, that's looking cool. I like that. Have to dry it off, showing all the bits and pieces that are. Right, have I got anything else that I want to go on it? I don't think so. I think I'll dry this off and we'll see how we go from there. Right, that's now dry. I think I'm just going to put a little bit of stamping around as well, just to like that. That's what it's looking like. Sorry about the glare. Right, now what else will I do? I think I might just put a little bit of paint on it, metallic paints. Right, now let me see, what have I got? I need to find a little paintbrush here. Just get it a bit wet. And we'll just put a little bit of paint on it. I'm not the greatest of painters, but it'll be alright. So, what have I been talking about in my videos that have not worked? I worked all last week in the cupcake shop because my daughter-in-law had her foot surgery. She's much better now, so I don't have to go in this week unless they have any appointments that they need to go to. And my eldest daughter is still struggling with her bad leg. My husband was taxi driver for everybody last week, but she said she'll be able to manage this week. She said she's got to start walking on it, otherwise it'll never get better, is her opinion. So let's get it a little bit thicker. And what else? Really can't think of anything that's gone on. I was absolutely exhausted at the weekend after working all week. Definitely past working full time. But that looks cool. Just a little bit of this on the edge of this butterfly here. Now it's really, really raining out there now. It's supposed to be like this all week. Right, okay. Now we need another colour. We need another colour. We need, I think we'll have some green and some gold and, oh, maybe not red, no. Bronze. That one's not open. Bronze, that one's not open. Bronze. I don't know how I ended up with so many bronze, but we did. Never mind. I'll just give that a bit of a wash. And get a wet wipe. And we'll just give our butterfly some bronze. That's what that looks like. I'm quite happy with that. I'll have some bronze in the middle of our flowers here. Of course, I don't have anything that looks like yellow. And just dip the middle of these ones. And gold butterfly there. And right, here's some little gold circles on this one. Wow, I don't know if you can hear that rain, but oh, it's getting very, 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 very heavy. Yeah, like that. Okay, put that in there. Get out of the road, and we want another colour. We might have this little turquoise. Peacock blue, actually, it is. Right, and need a little brush for this one. Bethany went to her first health school. Oh, I think that might have been in a video that I didn't upload. She went to the specialist. He said that she's reasonably healthy for her disease. Her insides are pretty not too bad, and that her exhaustion and lack of motivation and all that is because she's been so sick and she's just got down so low. And so the health board has a teacher that takes two afternoons a week where you go, and she liaisons with your teachers and gives you a timetable and stuff like that to help you with your motivation in schoolwork and such like, because she's in a very important year. And so she's got all sorted on that. Went to her first class yesterday, Tuesday today here, and so she got that all organised. And so she will do that 2 days a week, and then she will go two hours a day to regular school to the first 2 hours of the day. So that'll just sort of ease her into it, and she'll be doing this over quite a few months to build her back up. So that's good that she's getting some help, and the teachers are all on board with it, so that's really cool. Alright. I'm quite liking the look of this. Alright. I think we will put this on this butterfly. So what else is going on? Leah and Logan are doing really good in their soccer. Logan's team had a bye this week, and Leah's team played the top team and got a drubbing, but It's all in good fun. Her last game that she went and played before this one, she got 6 goals. So she was pretty stoked. It's a little bit fiddly, this. Right, that's what that looks like. I'm quite happy with that. Now, what do I want? I think I want a little bit of ink, and we will just that doesn't work very well. We won't do that. Take that off. I think we'll get rid of that. And get a little bit of black paint, I think. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just use the paints we've got and have a little bit of repetition going on here. See if I can do this. Cool. It mixed purple and blue together, that did, because I did not turn my brush over, which was not good, but never mind. A little bit of gold. I'm quite happy with that. That's my cover, so I'll just dry that off and see how we go. Right, I'm really happy with that, but I want to give it a little bit of a blackness around the edge. I like to do this. And it just gives us a little border. So that is the cover of my new glue book, and we shall be starting to work in it. I've put sprays and inks right throughout it. It's the middle, and I've got a bit of tape here that I was going to put in and tie there, if it's long enough. I hope so. Let me pull it tight and pull it tight, and it can move around up to the top there, and that'll be in the middle page. I think that's the middle page. Nope, it's not the middle page. Let's see if I can do this without ripping it. This is the middle page because I glued one each side. with masking tape just to help it not fall apart, because it was just stapled together. So that is my Buxom Betty. Just drop it down just a little bit so we can get it without. Oh, I'm very happy with it. So let's hope this video is loud enough. Thank you for being with me, and I'll catch you again soon.
Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.